SERV stock analysis. This is for next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. SERV Robotics been sitting a good $16.37. That is 7.6% decrease in price. Just Friday though, like last week performance overall combined, it's been like, I've not seen a red week since November 11th, so that week. But yeah, it's been cool. It's been cool, definitely cool. Even like here's the proof of me calling it out bullish beforehand. This is the before, this is the after, how it delivered. And I'm looking for the exact same thing. And we're actually about to, like, probably the price, like if it doesn't give me the rules, obviously I'm not going to buy, but it's right there, right? I'm saying as long as the rules are met, then only then I'll pull the trigger on this. So all I will keep doing is I'll just keep waiting. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple only way, just click the first link in the description. There's that free newsletter. And I will continue to keep you updated with SERV stock. So goodbye and enjoy.